to our video. Today we will make a video on vegan spaghetti, squash with marinara sauce. This is a delightful twist on the classic Italian pasta dish, offering a healthy and satisfying alternative for those seeking a lighter plant-based meal. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with alpha-lean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized spaghetti squash, 2 cups tomato passata or crushed tomatoes, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 tsp olive oil, 1 tsp dried basil, 1 tp dried oregano, and a half tsp red pepper flakes, just to taste, salt and black pepper to taste, fresh basil leaves ayarao, vegan Parmesan cheese action alarn. Roast squash. Cut squash in half, remove seeds and roast cut side down at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for 35-45 minutes until tender. Scrape into strands with a fork. Make marinara in a saucepan, sauté garlic and onion in olive oil until fragrant. Add tomato passata, basil, oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 15-20 minutes. Serve plate spaghetti squash, top with marinara sauce, and garnish with fresh basil leaves and vegan Parmesan cheese if desired. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally. Click the link below to discover a proven science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.